Welcome back. It is indeed a very quiet day. The Nifty is down just about 40 odd points. The Bank Nifty is the one that's also down about 80 points, and mid-cap index not doing too much. So it gives us some time to ponder over some other asset classes. Manisha Gupta joins in, and today she's going to talk about sugar. We've seen the way sugar prices have moved up, but there's some more on exports. Manisha, over to you.
Thank you for that, Sonia. Well, yes, there is some positive news continuing in case of sugar as a sector, whether it's about the prices where the international markets are right now trading at a 5- and 7-month highs when you look at the raw sugar and the white sugar prices there. So even now, as the trade has opened, we are holding above that $20 per pound mark, and that clearly has been supportive. If you look at this week itself, we have seen the sugar prices gain up by nearly 4.5% in the international markets, and this is clearly quite positive for the sugar mills who are looking at a strong export numbers there. The latest, clearly, the notification that came in last evening was that the government has now allowed sugar exports of around 14,500 tons to European Union and to US as well under the tariff rate quota. Of course, the quantum is lower, and this is something that the markets were in any case anticipating. But the fact being that we have a strong balance sheet when it comes to about availability of sugar in the country, and that would mean higher realizations when you look at the international markets there. So when you look at the overall Indian crop this time around, sugar production that is, it is estimated at 36.5 million tons. This is after it has been accounted for ethanol as well. This is higher than what we had in the last year. The carry forward stock of sugar from last year is at around 6 million tons. So that brings you to a total availability of around 42.5 million tons. Indian consumption is seen at 27.5 million tons, and the government already has allowed for an export of 6 million tons. With this 14,500 as well, the industry expects that by the end of January, when the government is reviewing the sugar crop and the season and the total availability in the country, there could be an agreement to export even more, because even after this balance sheet, India has a surplus of around 2,075,000 tons of excess sugar that perhaps could be seen for exporting reasons. And with the international markets doing so well, the expectation being that we could be looking at high realizations for the sugar mills.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for getting us all of the details.